Aloha! Welcome to the Noel Soft Skills Short, a workshop series that highlights soft skills and how to practice them. This episode is about adaptability. What is adaptability? Adaptability is the ability to adjust in a changing situation. It challenges you to figure out a new method, solution, or to take what you know and transform it to fit the new situation. A new situation can be anything from a new job, new school or class, or moving to a new community. On a smaller scale, it can be a new task, a new role, or simply something you're uncomfortable with. How can you develop or practice adaptability? Number 1, have an open mind. When beginning a new chapter in your life, you have to be willing to learn and do things differently. Although we may want to rely on our default response or solutions, understand that each situation may require a nuanced approach instead of an all-in-one solution. Analyze what the task is asking you to do and ask yourself these questions. How can I reach my objective? What is my current comfort or skill level? What do I need to do to make sure the job gets completed? How can I get this job done the most efficiently and the best it could be? Number 2, don't give up. Remain resilient amidst the challenging situations. If you feel that you're not ready, remember that you are still learning, so be kind to yourself when you make a mistake. The task at hand may seem overwhelming, but remember that you worked hard and adapted to get where you are right now. You can do it again. You can reach out to others, rethink your solutions, or start all over. So don't just throw in the towel. Think to yourself, I can do this. Number 3, collaborate with peers. Ask them for help, as they are a valuable resource on the common practices in the new situation. If you are a new student, ask other students where a particular class is located. If it's your first day on the job, check with a coworker on what the procedures are. Ask questions like, how do you guys complete this task? Or what are the expectations for this particular job, to gain insight on what should be done and how to do it. Number 4, think outside the box. Remind yourself that finding a solution may require you to look at the situation in a different way. Try something different and look with a different perspective. For example, if you're doing your coursework by yourself and doesn't seem effective, try something else. Employ new strategies, like asking the professor for help, creating a group chat or Discord chat with your classmates, or making a tutoring appointment for additional support. Next, we have a scenario demonstrating how you can practice adaptability.
Dude, I just got a text from Michelle. She's not going to be able to make it.
Oh my god. What was her section
I
again?
think she was doing the R values. I don't really remember what that is.
Me too. I need to rewatch the lecture still.
Oh.
Wait, let me look over your notes. Oh, okay. So it's like the scatter plot and it's like the line.
The line. Oh yeah, that's right. And then like it's supposed to be the strength or something of the graph, right?
Yeah, so it's kind of like as it's like a more linear, it's closer to like 1.
Yeah, that's right. Okay. Yeah, I think we got this, right?
Yeah, and then like also too, like if it's going the other way, it would be -1.
Yeah,
I think.
-1.
Yeah, -1. Okay. And then like the middle would kind of be like
just like nothing, right?
Yeah, like more like 0.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. I think we got it.
Yeah.
If we split the section, okay, we should be good.
Yeah, I'll talk about positive and you can talk about negative.
Okay, sounds good.
Thank you for watching. If you're completing this as part of the Soft Skills Certificate or want to test your knowledge, please complete this quiz on our website. All sources used to research are cited in the description below. You can check out another video here and contact us in these ways if you have any questions. Aloha!